This problem and all other CALC 152 problems can be found here at Sarai Studies. Link is in the description box below. Does the following sequence converge or diverge? If it converges, what does it converge to? All that means is just take the limit of the sequence as the numbers go on forever. And then you'll try plugging in infinity, and you'll realize you'll actually have to know what ln of infinity is, but not exactly at infinity, but as the n values approach infinity. So then your graph for ln of n looks like this. And so you say, okay, as the n values approach infinity, so instead of x we have n, what are the y values approaching? So instead of y we really have a of n. So what are the a of n values approaching? Infinity. So this would be infinity, this would be infinity, and then this would just be infinity again. So we would have infinity over infinity. And this is actually good because we can use L'Hopital's rule on 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity plus or minus. So L'Hopital rules helps us have a better time with this because we can rewrite this as just the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of ln of anything is always just 1 over the stuff on the inside. And then again, derivative of this would be 1 over the stuff on the inside. But then because of chain rule, we would have to take the derivative of the inside, which is again just 1 over the stuff on the inside. And then as always, after taking L'Hopital's rule, simplify. So this is really 1 over ln of n times n. To get rid of this fraction, I just multiply by this, that gets rid of this, and then we're just left with this. But whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I did n ln of n, and so we can get rid of this one, have this be on the top. These n's cancel out, and we're simply just left with a beautiful thing, and that is just the limit of ln of n. So since the limit of your sequence as the numbers go on forever is infinity, that means that you have your sequence and it's going on forever, and the numbers as it goes on forever are just different numbers. It doesn't converge to like being the same number, so therefore it diverges. And this is our conclusion written down, so I'll see you in the next.